This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 390DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Stanton interior, sleeps 6, self-contained, microwave, external shower, slideout, air conditioning, water heater, oven, spare tire kit, DVD player, smoke detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, loft, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Avalanche 390DS is 14,520 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Avalanche 390DS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.